In this video, you'll discover how to design scalable vector search architectures using Claude. By the end, you'll be equipped with the skills to implement scalable vector search solutions, optimize performance, and handle large datasets efficiently. Welcome to our deep dive into the world of vector search and scalability with Claude. Did you know that 90% of the world's data was created in just the last 2 years? As data grows at an unprecedented rate, efficient search systems become not just beneficial but crucial. In this video, we'll explore how you can leverage Claude's powerful architecture to scale vector search, ensuring quick and accurate information retrieval. From setting up Claude to optimizing its performance, we will provide you with insights and practical steps to handle massive datasets efficiently. So, let's get started on this journey to mastering vector search scalability. Before we delve into the scalability aspects, it's essential to understand the architecture that makes Claude so effective for vector search. Claude is designed with a robust framework that supports large-scale data processing and retrieval. Its architecture consists of multiple layers, each optimized for efficient handling of vector data. The core components include a scalable indexing engine, a powerful query processing unit, and integration capabilities with existing data systems. Unlike traditional search architectures, Claude excels in speed and accuracy, making it ideal for businesses handling vast amounts of data. By understanding these components, you can better utilize Claude to enhance your vector search capabilities.
Scalability is a critical component in any search system, especially when dealing with vector data. But what does scalability really mean in this context? It's the ability to handle an increasing amount of work or its potential to accommodate growth. For search systems, this involves managing growing datasets without compromising performance. Non-scalable systems can lead to slow retrieval times and inaccurate results, frustrating users. Claude's architecture is specifically designed to address these challenges. With features like distributed indexing and parallel processing, Claude ensures that your vector search systems can grow seamlessly as your data expands, maintaining efficiency and accuracy. Setting up Claude for vector search is a straightforward process, but it requires attention to detail to ensure optimal performance. Start by ensuring your system meets the necessary hardware and software requirements. Next, configure Claude's indexing and query processing settings specifically for vector data. Integration with your existing data sources is crucial, so utilize Claude's APIs for seamless data flow. Once configured, thorough testing and validation are essential to confirm that your setup functions as expected and to identify any potential issues. Be aware of common pitfalls, such as incorrect data formats or misconfigured index settings, which can impact performance.
Once Claude is set up, optimizing its performance is crucial for maintaining efficient vector search operations. Start with performance tuning techniques such as indexing strategies and query optimization. Efficient query handling involves designing queries that minimize processing time while maximizing accuracy. Resource allocation is another key area. Ensure that Claude's processes are assigned adequate computational resources. Utilize monitoring and analysis tools to track performance metrics and identify bottlenecks. Remember, optimization is an ongoing process. Regularly review system performance and adjust configurations as necessary to adapt to changing data volumes and usage patterns.
As datasets grow, handling them efficiently becomes a significant challenge. Claude is equipped to manage large datasets through its advanced data handling features. Distributed processing allows Claude to divide tasks across multiple nodes, reducing load and increasing speed. Data partitioning is another technique supported by Claude, enabling data to be split into manageable segments for faster processing. These capabilities ensure that even as your datasets expand, Claude can maintain high performance levels. Moreover, Claude prioritizes data integrity, ensuring that the accuracy of your search results is never compromised, regardless of dataset size. Accuracy in search results is paramount, especially when dealing with complex vector data. Several factors can affect search accuracy, including data quality, algorithm choice, and system configuration. Claude offers features that enhance accuracy, such as advanced indexing options and fine-tuned query handling. Ensuring high data quality through preprocessing can significantly improve result accuracy. Selecting the right algorithms for your specific use case is also crucial. Claude allows for flexibility in algorithm selection, enabling you to balance the need for speed with the demand for accuracy. By leveraging these features, you can ensure that your search results are consistently precise and reliable. Let's explore how Claude is being used in the real world to drive success in various industries. From e-commerce platforms optimizing product search to healthcare systems managing patient data, Claude's applications are diverse and impactful. Businesses that have implemented Claude report significant improvements in search speed and accuracy, leading to enhanced user satisfaction and operational efficiency. The versatility of Claude allows it to be tailored to different sectors, showcasing its adaptability and power. As more industries recognize the benefits of scalable vector search, Claude's potential to transform data handling and retrieval continues to grow. As we look to the future, several trends in vector search technologies are emerging. The integration of AI and machine learning is poised to revolutionize search systems, making them smarter and more intuitive. Claude is at the forefront of these advancements, continually evolving to incorporate new technologies. The impact of big data will continue to shape search architectures, with an increasing focus on scalability and efficiency. To prepare for these future challenges, staying informed of technological advancements and adapting Claude's capabilities will be key. By doing so, you can ensure that your vector search systems remain cutting-edge and competitive. Thank you for joining us on this journey into scalable vector search with Claude. We hope you now feel equipped to implement and optimize vector search solutions in your own projects. Remember, the key to success is continuous learning and adaptation. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and vote on the topics you'd like to see covered in future videos. Together, let's continue to explore the exciting world of vector search.